sometimes about it. Yeah, yeah. Say it was fun, bum, I ain't want none with her, so I come dump her after I just dump cum in her. Had life wrapped over me, now who the dead be? Stuck on oblivious, it's only been the next week. Baby told me that a period ain't ever come, made me regret that I had ever come. I'm gon' do it, keep secrets to the help step, leave it, but what else? I can see it, but it's felt. I don't want this, mischievous to the dough. And if you're missing me, girl, you better keep it to yourself. I ain't got one phone call from you saying you was pregnant. It's been 2 months in, and you just barely said it. Last month knocked up, next month stop drugs, what you usually on. Ironic how you lost one, and it's scary, baby. You knocked me down, it was fairly crazy. What if Carrie Hilson got pregnant and lost the baby? I'd probably say miscarried, baby. Yeah, I'm thinking about a miscarriage. It sounds bad, but yeah, I'm thinking about a miscarriage. It's either that or go through with the shit marriage. I ain't gon' lie, man, this shit's scary. And she a mean girl meant to the slide. I told her don't have sex or she'll get pregnant and die. What's up?
I can't believe what's going on, are you serious? Ever since we hung up on the phone, girl, I'm delirious. I don't even know if I'm furious, but the shit got me all curious. Are you really about what you say? Cause I don't know if you're real with this. I told you I was careful, we've done it a million times. Not like that we're unprepared, not like I filled you with mine. Please tell me you're telling lies, cause I don't know if you and I can handle another life when I'm having trouble with mine. Oh, you acting like I wanted this shit, act like I want you in this. We ain't together, why the fuck would I try to haunt you and shit? You told me that you loved me after we had ended, so I let us keep on sexing, but I knew that I'd regret it. Forget it, I don't need you, I don't even wanna see you. Girl, I told you I'm not my father, if it's mine then I will need to own up on my responsibilities. Regardless, whatever happened to us, to my son I won't be heartless, or daughter that I grow to love. I'll be here but not for us, I'll be here for him or her. Who knows, we may find some luck. Perhaps we'll find another shot at love. Who knows what happens when we have this angel from above? Who knows what kind of shit we'll have to go through when it gets here? But I will stand here and know that I'll show no fear. Just promise we'll set our shit amongst the side and wait till our baby is here alive, it'll be alright.
I've grown to love it, I know it was bugging, but this my life too, nigga, gotta show it something. I picked the phone up, called you, said I'll be there soon. I gotta tell you something, baby, I'll be there soon. I said now I love that little motherfucker, I want him to see that I'm the nigga that is motherfucking. I know I told you if you have it I'ma leave, but you haven't, I believe, and I'm glad you have my seed in you. She said I'm happy you're willing to stay for me. I mean it, I mean him or her, wait for me. I gotta go right quick, can you get me my purse? I told her yeah. Then I went in and searched, checked the bed and the nightstand. I ain't seen it, it's by the drawer, by the bed. I start reaching, I can't believe it. I know it's personal, moving clear. What the fuck is birth control's doing here?
It's been 2 months, our baby is oh so beautiful. She has your eyes, I look at her, it's like I look at you. It's gorgeous. What's wrong, why you frowning? What's on your mind, girl, tell me, why you frowning? There's something that I need to tell you. Sit down, please sit down, I need you just to sit down. But I'ma tell you I'm sorry, but don't get angry, even though I know you will. And I know you'll probably hate me, but your daughter isn't yours, I'm so sorry. Her real dad left me when I told him I was feeling lonely. So I told you, Justin, please. No, get up off me. You mean to tell me that this kid isn't my baby? I stopped chasing my dream to help you through it. Now 2 months later you gon' tell me all this bullshit, I'm done. I can't believe you, girl, you're dead to me. I'm outta here, cause round here there ain't a damn thing left for me. But what's sad is that I love her, but I'll never say the same for you. Fuck it, I can't blame you. Whenever that she needs me, I'll be here. But as for you, you better steer clear, I'm outta here.
And I ain't too proud to tell you that I cry sometimes. I cry sometimes about it. And girl, I know I hurt, but it